Multiple plots planning is suitable for planning adjacent blocks with windbreaks and ditch intervals. In the route mode, select multiple plots as the operation type. Click Add, and choose Adding Points with a remote controller. Use the handheld remote controller to mark points along the field boundary in sequence. Point marking is also required on both sides of the windbreak or ditches. After point marking is completed, click on a blank region to exit continuous point marking. Manually select 2 boundary points to connect them into a boundary line, forming a closed block. Double-click to delete unnecessary boundary lines. Click Save and complete the planning. Two, plots merging. If multiple small plots are adjacent and within 20 meters, with consistent crop planting, you can use the plots merging function to improve operational efficiency. Ensure multitask operation is on. Select the blocks to be merged. Click Merge. If the boundary region does not require operation, you can also click to generate a non-application area at the boundary. Click Confirm and save the plot. If there are unplanned obstacles between blocks, it is recommended to supplement the planning of obstacles.